Hello Year 3 and welcome to your next humanities lesson. Today we're going to be working on recognising different countries. But before we do that, I've written the names of lots of countries on the board. And I'd like you to try and work out if these countries are in Europe or in Asia. You might be able to just read the names of these countries and work it out for yourself. Are they in Europe or are they in Asia? I'll just read the names out for you. China, Denmark, Japan, Scotland, France, Romania, Spain, Vietnam, India, Mongolia. Those are the names of different countries. Can you work out if they are in Europe or Asia? If you are unsure how to do that, or you're not sure about some of the names of those countries, you could use your atlas to help you by finding a map of Europe and a map of Asia to see if you can find the names of those countries. So the map of Europe is on page 38 and the map of Asia is on page 42. So that might help you if you get stuck. See if you can do it. Pause the video and see if you can work out if these countries are in Europe or in Asia. Well done, Year 3. I have now circled the countries that are in Europe. Spain, Scotland, Denmark, France and Romania are all in Europe. So China, Vietnam, India, Japan and Mongolia are all in Asia. Very well done if you did that with or without the atlas. Today we're going to be recognising some different countries, and I've got a task on the board for you, a little bit of a tricky one. We need to go to page 38 in our atlas and find the map of Europe. I have drawn the outlines of 3 countries in Europe, and you have to try and name these countries. I've given you a couple of clues though. You might be able to have a go already and see if you can name these countries by using the atlas to work out if the shapes of these countries are the same. Each colour is a different country, so that should help you recognise the shapes. But I've also given you a couple more clues as well. I've put a little dot to show where the capital city is, because the capital cities are marked on this map for each of the countries. It's the circle inside the little square. And I've also given you a second clue by writing the colour. So this country is a greeny yellow colour. This country is green and this country is blue. Can you use your atlas to try and find the names of these countries by looking at their shapes? Have a go and I'll add the answers to the board. Pause the video now. Well done, Year 3, if you found the names of these countries. This first country here was France, and the capital city is Paris. Very well done if you spotted that on your map, that greeny yellow colour. A tricky one over here. This was Austria, very small in the middle here, and the capital city is Vienna. You had to look really closely at the shape. And this blue country was Portugal, the capital Lisbon. Well done if you used your atlas to find the names of these countries. Your task for today, you have this sheet. Mine hasn't printed very well. There are the outlines of 7 countries, and you have to match the correct name with the correct country. Once you have done that, you can then add a dot to show where the capital city is on each of these countries. You'll need to use the atlas to help you do that. Find where the country is and find where the capital city is. And then you can write the names of the capital cities below. And finally, one final task, if you complete all of that, is to draw some of your own country outlines for me to try and work out. To give me a little bit of a clue though, you might need to mark where the capital city is and even write the capital city. That might give me a little bit of a clue. So if you finish all of that, you can draw the outlines of 3 of your own countries that you find in the atlas and mark where the capital city is. So quite a lot of work today, but please do come on to Google Meet. We can help find some of these countries together. I might be able to point you in the right direction, show you which page the answer will be on. Very well done for watching today, Year 3, and thank you for completing these activities.